I love ParkStash. I'm happy we made that implementation, and it's definitely been worth the investment thus far. Before ParkStash, parking was managed, you could say, the old-fashioned way. We allowed visitors to park on site for up to 48 hours maximum. The difficulty that we ran into was the liability and the lack of communication that we experienced. My favorite thing about ParkStash is how easy it is for us to use, guests to use, and just our residents to be able to share that information. The communication being posted right in front of the parking spaces has made it pretty seamless. With student housing, we deal with tons of different lease violations and people trying to have unauthorized guests. It really helps being able to track what time people are coming into the community, how long they are staying for, and who they are visiting. My most favorite feature out of everything that ParkStash brings to the table is the fact that it really helps with our financial budget and finding an offset. This month, with the income that we brought in through ParkStash, I was able to buy a stair stepper for our gym, which is super exciting. With any system that you roll out, residents are going to have a hard time adjusting initially. Giving the residents a little bit of grace time made a really big difference. I would just say, sign up. It's worth the investment. And it is the best feeling ever when I'm on my variance report calls and I can select parking income as my offset.